Guys, I'm back. I've just loaded some new battery. Ticket date punching machines. Couldn't find many interesting shots, but doesn't interest me much. Some similar shot. Golden Rock Workshop. Lansum Bridge, lamps, again telecommunication device, nice. Oh, nice, some Theobald's block instrument, single line token block instrument. You get the railway tickets, I believe. Nice. See some interesting light, but I really couldn't get some noteworthy shot. Tried my best here, I should say. Oh, there is some gauge here. Forgot to shoot this one. I go to F16. I'm going to shoot this in tactile sharp. So we have I missed this one, all the ceramic stuff used on the electricals, insulators particularly. Nice, some technical stuff, volt telephones, the dial telephones. Kids, you can see the dial telephones, multi-telephone boxes, signal routes, instruments. That's the earpiece and this is the mouthpiece. And entire block is called the receiver. My grandfather is a temple in charge. From my father's side, the relatives from the father's side. So my grandfather works for the temple area, so he would call the receiver, the one that you lift to speak, as Uchavar, and the entire telephone block as Moolavar. Hilarious, actually. That's in Tamil, actually. Uchavar is the deity which you take it on the streets for the people to see, and Moolavar is the deity which is inside the temple. It's a granite carved sculpture which is inside the temple. What do you call that? Garbhagriha, sanctum. So he would compare the telephone's receiver as Uchavar and the main body as Moolavar. That's the inside joke they have. I used to just observe joke as joke, though I'm not a believer. Ceiling nippers, the cans which the station master carries to stop or give signal to the train. We just saw this cassette present to it. The manufacturing areas. Wow. Gandhiji's history. Damn, this place is a record of time. If you guys have if you can spare something, you can come. This is some interesting stuff. wagon sealing nails, the weights that you saw on the, which can be used with the weighing machine, for the scales. Those are the ones. Stones, various weighing stones. You can see the tickets, rubber stamps, date. This will have dates, like the time and date. You can dial them on the rubber stamps. Oh my god, this is some place and monuments and history, man. All artifacts, epoch artifacts. Very interesting. Leave this television. This is from new tech. Rest is old. I love the clocks, the dials, the contrast. My rotor shift to 1.8. Hope that comes in. Hope it does not flicker in. Oh, it is flickering a little bit. Because the tubelets which is there for India is tuned to 50 Hertz and my GoPro is at 60 Hertz, I believe. Actually it is in auto mode, so it should capture things at 60 Hertz or 60 frames per second, I believe. 48 would be appropriate, 48 or 50. They have the time machines. That's some interesting stuff for you to see it clearly. It's in the dark. Overhauled some stuff, weighing house, something, weighing blocks. I don't understand this stuff. We have all the important people having some dinner. The bridge which separates. This is the Pamban Bridge, which is in Rameshwaram. Got to go to Rameshwaram, visit Rameshwaram at some point in my life. Oh, that's some huge clock. That's an interesting piece of artwork. These are probably some reference shots now. I couldn't find some interesting light. Capture them. Have all the histories of Gandhiji here. I don't know what is the time right now. My grandpa's house has one of these clocks. Something similar to this. Oh, they have double-decker trains. That's interesting. Yeah, when the history of Gandhiji's travel and everything, meeting various freedom fighters. Oh, they had some tar used in railway tracks before. This is a tar tank. We have some badges, bells for the agents. They wear it across the body like this. Nice. Refrigerator van. Wow, they had the refrigerator by that time. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Artist view. Oh, probably some pen drawing. We have another clock here. We have from the parts. We have the locks, keys, calling bell drum, various keys, locks, badges, uniform buttons, and clocks. Kids, I've heard that Hermione at some point of her life visited India and stored one of her magic wands in this museum. Yeah, her magic wand. Expecto Patronum. Just kidding, just messing with you. Hermione never visited Indian Railway Museum. Just messing with you. Photo negative slates. I don't know what is that. We have some general weights. Forgive me if it is going to be a little fast in explanation because there is too much stuff to see, and I have already crossed like nearly 2 hours of video by now. Oh, that's my alarm. Normally I would finish my skate practice by this time. I would start by 3 and finish it by 4:36. So this is the bamboo key which I was talking about. We saw it on the table model, right? On outside. This is the bamboo key. This is how it is. A station master would exchange his key with the engine driver when he crosses each station, and it will have some message or like information and everything, and each station has some information for this. So this is the bamboo key. I have seen myself people using it. And by the way, all Indian trains are not completely electric as of now. Indian government is planning to make all Indian trains in India to be electric by 2023. So as of now, Indian Railways have around 63,000 kilometers of railway track, and they are also planning to expand it all over India as fast as possible. And so that's it. That's their future plans. They are also thinking about some bullet trains and stuff. We have the inspection wagon. We have the policeman bells, cap, liquid fount. I do not know what is that. This is all vintage stuff, man. This is so interesting. Standard train track. Interesting print. Probably these are silver gelatin prints, albumin prints, daguerreotype. Definitely not collodion. But these are the prints of the prints, like modern day prints. These are inkjet printing, but still taken out of the old silver gelatin prints, I believe. It must be silver gelatin when it is 1915, 1930, there were Polaroids of this size. Could be the Polaroid prints as well. We have some fans, carry keys, tools. This is the toolbox. We have the fans which is found inside the railway bogies. There is a common joke inside joke in India where one of the captions of Indian Railways says like nation's property is our property. So people who travel in Indian Railways remove the fans and take it to their homes because nation's property is our property. So that is some inside joke you will find. Steam locomotive, Golden Rock Workshop, King George IV, steam locomotive again. Steam locomotive is something which we saw on the right side outside. These are the parts of the rails, permanent rail. You have these holes to carry them and place them properly, and this is how they have joined and bolted them together. Bolt because like you have a bolt and a nut, hexagon nut. It's not riveted. And you have another steam engine. That's from 1901, and this one is like 1969. So we do have steam engines even now. Actually, they are planning to upgrade by 2023, which I said before. And it's not all completely electric. We have diesel engines. Most of them are diesel engines. I'm not sure if they have steam engines even now. 60R rail. These are for the broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge, all those stuff, man. Please visit this place sometime. It has complete lot of knowledge to understand. Again, these must be silver gelatin prints. That's what I can understand. Toned with palladium, platinum, gold, whatever. I guess from the tonality and the type, the look that we get from here, it has to be silver gelatin prints. So parallel, shunt, move, whatever. So we saw something similar outside. They had the stars, but our engine had only one star, something like that. So rails, things to hold the rails, paddle clips, bearing plates, few more engines, steam engines. You see the water tank? So we saw some stand over there, right, near the crane place. So this is how the water tank is placed, and they refill this. You could find in movies, old Hollywood movies, wherein you will find action sequences planned between the trains and everything. This is an interesting place, man. You will find a lot of knowledge to understand. Jaws, clamps, various type of screws, spikes, quarter. These are the ones which hold the rails onto the what do you call that, cement blocks or wooden blocks. And you have passengers getting onto the train. You have some bridge and good location, Bombay Baroda. The trains. They have all the coil springs, various type of coil springs in various diameters, thickness. This is also buffer coil spring, which have a small room between each coil. Lot of train. Probably if Dr. Sheldon Cooper visits this place, he will stay here forever, or probably he might even take up a job here as a guide, to tell students about the trains and parts of these trains. So you have bearings. These are interesting bearings. You see that? These are bearing washers. Must be washer. These are bearing washers. You will find one of these as a flat ones with these cylindrical bearings in the flat circular ones in my waterborne surf adapter. And there is these, this one is like little cone shape, right? This is flattened as a flat washer, but it has the cylindrical bearings on the insides of the washer, like you'll find them in your surf adapter as well, YOW. So we have some more paintings of steam engines of various stations, plain bearings. So you'll find other bearings here. So traditional bearing looks like this. We have ball rings inside for the skateboard. For the train, you have cylindrical elements. You hope you can see the cylindrical elements. We'll talk about bearings in a different episode in our skateboard channel. Okay, which is my personal channel. Mechanical engineering, various bearings. These are the modern day bearings. So these are the modern day bearings. Hope you can see that. Couldn't get any closer, I'm sorry. These are the modern day bearings. Elephants are being transported. Crane that we saw outside. Few more stuff. Voltex. Launch. Oh, they had a launch. Nice. We have some measuring equipments here, calipers, dividers. Few more photographs. I bet this has to be some silver gelatin prints, man. Copy of silver gelatin prints. These are inkjet, but it has to be silver gelatin. I couldn't do those salt prints before because I'm still kind of finding a way to find them. To make salt prints, I couldn't do silver gelatin, but I could make salt prints out of silver nitrate but it's still complicated here. The water is hard water, and it's the composition and the chemistry is different every time, and it's really hard for me to do it. And if I have to buy it from Bostwick and Sullivan, it's going to be expensive for me. So you have other equipments here, and you have another model table. Forgive me, I didn't take much photographs here, just showing you the tour of the museum. So various levers, the junction point where the train would shift the tracks. We'll look at this side as well, which I missed last time. We have some different types of bogies and engines, tabletop models, the light, marker light, red, green stuff, detonators. I don't know why would they need a detonator. For safety, in case of fog. Okay, that's cool. You have the various lock and latches, door handles, scale, wooden scale. I have used one of those. Again, lock and latches. You have the point clamp, bowls and chisels, hammers. Interesting stuff. You should come here, man. If you couldn't find something in detail, which I couldn't show it in the photography channel, please visit this museum. You have some axe shape measurement tools. You know, this is all part of civil and mechanical engineering. Various scales, tools, but also read mechanical engineering. So that was really an amazing tour of Railway Museum. I love this. I'm sorry I didn't take much photographs here. I'll try and see what I could get out of it. You know, like, need some interesting light to shoot all this thing. Or the subject has to be much more interesting. You know, these are the station lights, all made out of iron, glass, aluminium and glass sometimes. Operating vacuum dual gauges. Wow. These are treasure of time. Vacuum dome. Hand signal, kerosene oil lamp is missing. Architectural marvels. Few things are switched. The sign sometimes confuses. These are lamps. Yes, that was the entire tour. We have one more room. That side which we didn't go, we'll go right now. I'm sorry if I'm giving you a tour much faster than you have expected or anticipated. And I couldn't find much things inside to photograph. Some lounge. You have some train. You have some electronic calculators, typewriters. Nice. Cup and saucers and kettle. Interesting. And you have some maps. Photograph. Function photo. Probably this one is made out of bromide paper. So in those days, people used to print the maps in silver gelatin ink, or they would draw, because they can't print it with a printing press. You know, you will need a very big printing press for printing a map of this size. So they would draw or make a silver gelatin print. I'm sure these are silver gelatin prints. Some train leaving the flooded station. Open stations in old days. Old time memorial stuff, bookshelf stuff. Should visit this place. This is one electrical substation model, table model. You'll find all the capacitors, insulators. Now these are capacitors wherein they store the electricity. handbells to give signals and stuff. Tambram. That's also one of the inside joke. Oh, this is a vintage Tiruchirappalli Junction photograph. Interesting. A panoramic view. Probably taken with a panoramic camera. I'm not sure, or they later edited out into one photograph. So I can see a line here. Must be two photographs. Probably taken with Hasselblad, pan camera. X-Pan, Hasselblad X-Pan. First, actually it is Fuji, which Hasselblad later took it for themselves. All interesting vintage stuff. You should visit this place sometime. So that's the entire tour of this railway museum. And heading out, I would like to thank everyone for being patient about this. And I couldn't do much of the photography inside as I couldn't find much fine art frames, but we did ample photography outside, talking about the steam engines, diesel engine, fire engines, the park and the cranes and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this multiple episode series. That's the railway museum for you guys. Krishnan Srinivasan for Krish Shots and Photography signing off. Peace out. Sorry I didn't go on this children's train. Hope you all forgive me. I didn't go on the children's train. I didn't go for the fact that I don't want to bore you guys more. So we are nearing my two-wheeler. I'll sign off again. Peace out.